Ya Mbak Nadia.
Bentar, Bu. Scientific journal. Journal is a scan-carry publication containing article writing by researchers, professor, and other experts. Journals focus on a specific discipline or plan of study. Unlike newspapers and magazines, journals are intended for an academic or technical audience, not general readers. Scientific journal composition. Number 1, title. Number 2, abstract. Abstract is written as an explanation of the journal, without presentation to the journal. You must present at least 200 words summarizing the activist method, results, and conclusions in the abstract. Number 3, introduction. Number 4, the method. 5, result. 6, discussion. 7, conclusion. 8, bibliography. Sudah, Bu.
Ya. Oke, next. Mas Aknanda. Ayo Mas Aknanda, Vivanto. Your turn, please. Ayo, Mbak
boleh
siapa? Mas
saya
Aknanda.
duluan.
Oh, boleh, Mbak Eva ya, boleh.
Journal is publication scholarly containing article written. Journal as intended for an academic or technical audience, not general letters. Scientific journal composition. The number 1, title. Number 2, abstract. Number 3, introduction. Number 4, the methods. Number 5, result. Next, discussion. Conclusion. And the last, bibliography. Number 1, title. Title, ya itu. Terus number 2, abstract. Abstract is written as presents the last 250 words, summarizing the objective, methods, result, and conclusion in the abstract. Number 3, introduction. In this section also includes background of the problem. Number 5, method is information described in this section includes experiment design, terus method use.
Bukan method ya.
Method use data pilihan data selection, collection. Terus result, next result is summary data with from the table yang digunakan table use. Discussion is existing data with observe pattern. Next, conclusion itu kesimpulan, kumpulan.
Conclusion,
summary. Terus last, bibliography, collection, the name, the little letter of yang kita views.
Kok di stop? Yuk. On kameranya. On.
Saya, Bu.
Ya.
Definition journal. Journal is a scholarly publication containing articles written by researchers, professors, and other experts. Written by researchers.
Ya, written, Mas. B-nya nggak usah dibaca.
Oh, ya. Journal is a scholarly publication containing articles written by researchers, professors, and other experts. Journal focus on a specific discipline or field of study, unlike newspapers and magazines. Journals are interested for an academic or technical audience, not general readers. Journal composition is number one title, number 2 abstract, number 3 introducing, number 4 the methods, number 5 result, number 6 discussion, number 7 conclusion, number 8 bibliography. Sudah, Bu, itu saja.
Ya, thank you, Mas.
Ya, Bu.
Ini pada di rumah ini atau gimana?
Di rumah.
Terus. Ya, di rumah. Hati.
Jepara, Bu.
Udah masang nanda, gantian yang lain. Jepara. Jeparanya mana?
Kalinyamatan.
Stop, continue. Nanti di nganu ya Mas. Di merge, disambung ya Mas Harul dari kelas A.
Ya, Bu.
Mas
Iya.
Harul lah ya Mas Harul. Ya, kayak tadi. On kameranya.
Iya, Bu.
Ya, yuk.
Journal is a scholarly publication research and other expert. Journal focus on specific discipline or field of study. Unlike newspaper and magazine, journal are intended for an academy or technical audience, not general readers. Scientific journal. Most journal articles are peer-reviewed, have original research, focus on current development, cite others' works and have bibliography, can be in print, online, or both. Journals are published on regular basis monthly, quarterly, etc. and are
Etc.
severally
Etc. Bukan ETC, etc.
settled. Each
Ya.
copy is an issue. A set of issue makes a volume. Usually each year is a separate volume. Like newspaper and magazine, journal are also called period or serials. Scientific journal composition. First, title. Second, abstract. Third, introduction. Fourth, the method. Five, result. Six, discussion. Seven, conclusion. And eight, action bibliography. Sudah, Bu.
Ya, Mas. Sarul bagian saya. Next, Mbak Niscay. Niscay Dwita. Mbak Niscay. Mbak Niscay, please. Gak ada suara. Siapa yang mau duluan? Langsung tak nilai. Yuk. Enggak ya, gak ada. Nilainya kosong.
Saya, Bu.
Ya, Mbak Hasanah Tunisa, please. Mbak Nadia, namamu siapa, Mbak? Tulis di chat ya, Mbak.
Bu, saya dulu boleh, Bu?
Mbak ini Nisa katanya.
Saya Melani, Bu.
Mbak.
Mbak Ulia dulu enggak
Mbak
apa-apa,
Tunisa.
Bu.
Ya udah, Mbak Aulia apa siapa itu? Mbak Melani, ya boleh Mbak Melani.
Scientific journal. Journal is a scholarly publication containing articles written by research, professor, and other experts. Scientific journals are journal articles that are reviewed with original research and focus on recent developments, citing other works that have bibliography that can be printed, online, or both. Scientific journals are published regularly and are numbered sequentially. Usually in a year, there are three publications. Scientific journal composition. 1. Title. Titles in scientific journal must be clear. 2. Abstract. The abstract contains the objective, method, result, and conclusion with a word count of 250. 3. Introduction contains background, preface, study. 4. Method used in research. 5. Research result may be explained in the form of graph or columns. 6. Discussion. 7. Conclusion contains conclusion that can answer the research problem. 8. Bibliography. A list of citations use a reference in the study, written in alphabetic order, and written in detail. To make it easier, you can use the Mendeley or Zotero application. Sudah, Bu.
Ya, oke Mbak Melani. Next. Next tadi siapa?
Saya, Bu.
Ya. Saya itu siapa? Saya. Mbak Hasanatun Nisa. Ayo Mbak Hasanatun. Ya. Di mana Mbak? Masjid ini?
Zih, Bu. Baru di jalan tadi mampir masjid dulu.
Ya Allah, so sweet ya. Ya Allah.
Dari
Ya
kamu.
Allah. Ya. Mampir ya. Udah on nggak apa-apa.
Zih, Bu. Definition journal. Journal is scholarly publication containing articles written by researchers, professors, and other experts. Terus, scientific journal, the purpose of making a journal is to develop research that has been written and become a reference of other researchers who are conducting similar research activities. The purpose of writing scientific journals must be carefully structured, unlike ordinary articles. Scientific journal composition. Number 1, title. The title will make it easier for readers to know the essence of the journal without having to read the entire journal content. Number 2, abstract. The abstract section in scientific journals serves to briefly digest the contents of the journal. Number 3, introduction. The introduction is a statement of the case you are investigating. Number 4, the method. This section you will describe the process of the experiment we carried out. Number 5, result. Result present summary data with an overview in the form of text, tables, or images. Number 6, discussion. In detail in the discussion. Number 7, conclusion. That the refers back to the statement in the introduction of its data that is informed. Number 8, bibliography. Is collection of the names of the literature that we as reference in journal. Sampun, Bu.
Ya, makasih Mbak Hasanatun Nisa. Terus siapa lagi?
Saya, Bu.
Ya, siapa namanya?
Aditya Farizi, Bu.
Ya, please, Mas Adit.
Yeah.
Saya Mas Adit.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Scientific journal. Definition journal. Journal is a scholarly publication continue article written by researcher, professor, and other experts. Journal.
Yes.
For us, an action discipline or field of study, public newspaper and magazine journal are international for an academic or technical audience. Sekian jurnal composition. 1. Number 1. Title. 2. Abstract. 3. 4 apa gimana? 4 apa? Introduction. Fact. Result.
Result.
Discomoro. Consistent bibi akbi. Angin lo bunga.
Iya. Anu ya, keselak-selak.
Susah bu, kesana ya.
Aduh, enggak. Ayo. Ayo. Tadi Mas Arya Farizi, Mbak. Terus siapa lagi?
Saya, Bu.
Ya, please. Segera, Mbak. Turn on kamera. Wilda Julia.
Journal is a scholarly publication containing articles written by researchers, professors, and other experts. Journal focus on a specific discipline or field of study. Scientific journal composition. Number 1, title. Number 2, abstract. Abstract is written as an explanation of the journal without reference to the journal. 3, introduction. A statement of the case you are investigating. 4, the method. In this section, you will describe the process of the experiment being carried out. 5, result. You can present summary data. Discussion. You can only reply in detail in the discussion section. Conclusion. The point is that the research refers back. Bibliography. A collection of the names of the literature that we use as reference in journal. Sudah, Bu.
Ya, oke. Mbak Wilda Julia next.
Saya, Bu.
Siapa?
Ulia Puji.
Ya, please Mbak Ulia.
Definition journal. Journal is a scholarly publication containing articles written by researchers, professors, other experts. Journal focus on a specific discipline or field of study. Unlike newspaper and magazines, journals are intended for an academic or technical audience, not general readers. Scientific journal composition. Number 1, title. The journal title must be clear. The title will make it easier for readers to know the essence of the journal without having to read the entry journal content. Number 2, abstract. The abstract section in scientific journal serves to briefly discuss the context of the journal. Number 3, introduction. The introduction is a statement of the case you are investigating. Number 4, the method. In this section, you will describe the process of the experiment being carried out. Number 5, result. In the result section, you can present summary data with an overview in the form of text, table, or image. Number 6, discussion. From the data you have obtained, you can only reply in detail in the discussion section. Number 7, conclusion. Make a conclusion from the whole experiment that has been done. Number 8, bibliography. Definition of scientific journal. When making a journal, don't forget to include the bibliography on the last page. Sudah, Bu.
Ya. Ya. Terus siapa lagi yang mau? Melani udah. Vela Ferdila Putri, Vela. Muhammad Aryansyah belum, Norta. Fadil, Atania, Febi, Ahmad Akbar. Belum, ayo. Kalau enggak ya kosong nilainya. Gimana? Do you want to retell right now or no? Kalau enggak sekarang, saya tunggu nanti jam berapa ya? Jam 4 ya? Jam 4 bagi yang belum ya.
Ayo, Bu.
Bikin link. Siapa? Tambah satu
Marian.
lagi ya. Nanti saya kasih kesempatan jam 4 ya. Jam 4 nggak bikin link, ya udah berarti kosong, nggak ada kesempatan. Ya, please tambah satu lagi nih. Yuk. Ya, Mas. Nanti jam 4 ya bikin link bagi yang belum retail. Retail summary, explanation saya. Ayo Mas Aryansyah.
Ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Definition journal. A journal is a scholarly publication containing articles written by researchers, professors, and other experts. Journal focus on a specific discipline or field of study. Journals are published on a regular basis and are sequentially numbered. The purpose of making a journal is to develop a research that has been written and become a reference for other researchers who are conducting similar research activities. The process of writing scientific journal